Well, it's been a while since I last made a video, and some of you may have started to wonder whether I'm still alive. Well, I am. This is me, and this is a video, so everything is fine. There are two reasons for my lack of video. Last week I was unwell. Not very sick, it was just a cold, but every time I tried to speak I had a coughing fit, and that was not very good for making a video. The other reason is that I have been coping with the pig's breakfast that is Brexit. Mostly I've been watching the news with a growing sense of disbelief and even drafting blog posts that never actually get written because all of a sudden something else happens right out of the blue that brings the country of my birth to a new humiliating low. One of the consequences is that I am right now in the process of getting my application for German citizenship through. Some of you have asked me about this, so the situation at the moment is I am a British citizen, but I hope that very soon this will change. I have most of the paperwork. It's now just a question of passing a language test, which will be in May, and a citizenship test, which will be in June. And to be honest, the citizenship test is just a bit of a joke. It's a series of general knowledge questions about Germany that reveal absolutely nothing about how well integrated you really are. It's full of questions like, Germany is A, a republic, B, a monarchy, C, a totalitarian dictatorship, or D, an avocado. One good thing is that I will be allowed to keep my British citizenship. Normally Germany does not allow dual nationality for non-EU citizens, so normally if my citizenship application is approved after Brexit, I would have to renounce my British citizenship. But in view of the unusual circumstances when I went for my preliminary interview, I was able to sign a document so that no matter how long it takes me to get my application in order, I can keep my British nationality. So thank goodness for that. Meanwhile, my British passport is about to expire, so I've had to apply for an extension to that as well. There's just too many things happening all at once. Here though, Germany could learn a thing or two from Britain. Just this morning I received a text message from the passport office saying that my application had been approved and they would let me know when they're ready to send my new passport. Now, why can't we have that level of service in this country? Ironically, my new British passport will be in the burgundy design. The new post-Brexit blue passport is due to be phased in October. So right around the time that Britain leaves the European Union, I'll be picking up a brand new British passport with the words European Union printed all over the front cover. So that's the state of affairs right now. Stay tuned for more videos coming up soon.